Finch AI Student Tutor is an Oxford AI-powered help resource that supports your students by breaking down complex questions and providing helpful hints that will assist students to find the answers on their own. Finch will be available as a premium feature for select digital OUP titles. You can see the full list of supported titles in the description of this video. For the purposes of this video, we'll be looking at the Oxford Maths 7 to 10 Victorian curriculum and the Oxford Science for New South Wales Stages 4 and 5. If Finch is available for your series, you will see a new button on your navigation sidebar. AI Control. Clicking on this will take you to the AI Tutor Controls page. By default, AI will be off for your account and your classes. You can enable it for your account here. And once you select a class, you can enable it for your students. You may choose to only enable Finch for certain modules or lessons. Once enabled, Finch will be available at the beginning of a lesson, offering students the chance to see a few helpful resources related to the lesson. Individual Finch icons will appear in context within the digital content. Finch AI Tutor pulls only from Oxford content, ensuring that the content is safe and evidence-based. Finch supports your students by breaking down complex questions and providing helpful hints that will assist students to find the answers on their own. At the bottom of the chat window, related content appears, containing links to videos relevant to the module. Let's see how Finch supports students in Oxford Maths. A student may feel confused by the question and wants help getting started, so they can click the prompt "Help me get started." In Oxford Science, a student may be struggling to comprehend the question, so they can click "Simplify the question for me." And if they require further support, explain the question to me.